Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, Cyber Monday is fast approaching and I know you out there want to save more money and get more cash back for the items you're already going to purchase. Well, let me show you how with a brand new app called Rakuten. It's amazing and we're going to get cash back on all the items we were already going to purchase online for our Christmas presents or whatever you might need. So let's check it out. So, whenever you hear the phrase free money, does a little red flag go up in your head? It should, because that's how we avoid getting scammed most of the time. But sometimes there are businesses out there that can help you save or earn money by using their services. Rakuten is an affiliate marketing company that helps you earn cash back by shopping through their site. Now, it doesn't actually change how you would shop other than you start at Rakuten and then it takes you to the affiliate site. So if you're wanting to shop, say at Walmart online, you would simply go to Rakuten and then go to walmart.com through their site and then simply shop like normal. So what is Rakuten? It's formerly known as REBATE. Now, Rakuten is a cashback site that gives you money for making purchases through their website or by using their browser extension. Consumers can earn anywhere from 1 to 40% cashback on almost anything purchased through Rakuten. If you're 18 years or older, you can use Rakuten, and they have partnerships with over 2,500 retailers. This includes big names like Nordstrom, Walmart, Amazon, Target, all those places you're probably already going to shop through. Almost anything that you would shop for on a regular basis can be eligible for cashback through Rakuten. Now, the big question surrounding Rakuten is whether it's a scam or not. It is not a scam. So, how does Rakuten actually make money? Rakuten is basically an affiliate marketing company. Affiliate marketing is when companies reward influencers for directing consumers to buy from their site or store. In Rakuten's case, the retailer pays them a commission when you, the consumer, buy through Rakuten. Rakuten chooses to split this commission with you, and this incentivizes you to keep making your purchases through them. Ultimately, this is a win-win for everyone involved. Once you accrue cash back, Rakuten can pay you in one of two ways. They will either mail you a physical check or send you the balance to a PayPal account. The only catch is that Rakuten only pays out once a quarter based on the schedule. Basically, January 1st through March 31st, you're going to get paid on May 15th. April 1st through June 20th, you're going to get paid August 15th. July 1st through September 30th, you're going to get paid on November 15th, and October 1st through December 31st, you're going to get paid on February 15th. Now, this payment method can be kind of a bummer if you're used to getting that instant gratification. They also won't issue payment if you accrue less than $5 during that quarter. However, you don't lose that money from quarter to quarter, so you can always accrue more the next quarter. Perhaps one of the most useful features of Rakuten is their browser extension. It really can be a pain to navigate to Rakuten to make all of your online purchases. Their browser extension removes that step altogether. When you download the browser extension, Rakuten can track when you're on a retail partner site. They will create a little pop-up at checkout to indicate that you're eligible for cashback rewards. That makes it very easy as clicking a button to earn cashback on your purchases. So in-store shopping is not a problem either. Rakuten allows for an in-store cashback purchases as well. You will need to activate the in-store offer through either the site or the app. You will also need to link your credit card to the system so that it can track your purchase. Once you make the purchase, the retailer will confirm the purchase and send it to Rakuten. It can take hours or days for the store to confirm your purchase, but you should see the cashback show up in your balance. The in-store offers are only valid for one purchase, meaning you will need to reactivate it if you plan to make another in-store purchase. It's a little more complicated than making purchases online, but it's a way to earn cashback nonetheless. Now, Rakuten is entirely free to use. There's no fees, no hidden costs, again, because retailers pay Rakuten upfront to refer people to their stores. Rakuten doesn't charge consumers for the service, which makes it a no-brainer from a cost perspective. With Rakuten, it isn't about how much you pay, but rather how much you're getting back. Each retail partner of Rakuten varies in the amount of cash back you can earn. Overall, consumers can earn anywhere from 1% to 40%, and these cashback percentages vary by retailer and product. So, to get started, all you have to do is simply sign up for a Rakuten account. All you need to do is provide your email and create a password. You aren't required to link bank accounts or credit cards unless you plan to redeem in store cashback. Now, do me a huge favor. If you're signing up for Rakuten for the first time, I have the link in my description box below. If someone you refer makes a purchase of $25 or more through Rakuten, you earn $5 on your cash back. Rakuten even offers promotions that allow you to earn $25 for each referral. Also, they will give $10 to your friends if they take advantage of your referral. It's a win-win for everyone. Eventually, you will need to provide a mailing address or a PayPal account to get your cashback rewards, but you don't have to worry about them secretly charging your card or anything like that. Once you log in, you can search for a specific store or their site for discounts and promotions. Rakuten makes it super easy to shop by category, hot deals, double cashback stores, and more. And once you decide to shop at a particular store, Rakuten will direct you to the store's actual website. From there, it is no different than if you had gone to the store's website originally. If you don't want to navigate to Rakuten every time, you can always install their Chrome browser extension. The extension will show a pop-up whenever your purchase is eligible for cash back. You just click Rakuten button at checkout and you're good to go. Rakuten will run frequent specials such as double cashback promotions and hot deals for specific stores or items. You can learn about special buy one get one deals, promo codes, coupons, and more. Setting your notifications to alert you to deals can help you keep an eye out. Now, you can obviously type in a specific store that you may be wanting to shop. Maybe it's Walmart, maybe it's Kohl's. I've already showed you that. But you can also check out the best deals that are happening. So you can click on 15% cashback stores and scroll down. You can see things like the Disney store is giving 15% back for this special offer. It was only 1%. Now, this is currently Cyber Monday as I'm making this video, so obviously we're going to have some pretty awesome deals. Maybe you want to go to overstock.com and grab something there for 15% back. Either way, you click the store that you want to go to. Today, I made a purchase at JCPenney's, which happens to be 10% back. So I scrolled down and I just hit the shop now. So once it logs us on, it pops up and lets us know that we have an offer going on in the background. And then we're on the actual website for JCPenney's. And we can grab any of these items here and put them in our cart and check out. So I actually did a Black Friday item. I was looking for the leggings. And I found this cyber deal here for $5.99. Now click on that. Pick my size. And I'm going to add to cart. I also did the free same day pickup. All right, so they're now in my cart. Now, if there are any coupons that we can add, then it would automatically pop up and add it for us. So, like I said, I already did an order today. I bought some tennis shoes and I bought 4 pair of these leggings, and I spent a little over $50. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how it all came out. Cash back balance here. I'm going to click on that. And you're going to see my purchases that I made. So I have my purchase from JCPenney's. I spent $53.95, but I'm getting back $5.40 in cash back. And I had a Walmart purchase. This was a Christmas present that I purchased for my daughter. I spent $98, but I'm going to get back $4.90. But here is the even cooler part. I got a bonus for just starting up I got $10 bonus. So again, if you use my link in the description box below and sign up today, after you use it one time, you're going to get a $10 cashback bonus. So guys, one of the big tips that I want to leave you with is make sure that you are not buying things just to buy them, that you're just using this as extra savings on products you were already planning on purchasing. As I am starting to shop for Christmas, I'm doing a lot more online shopping than I normally do, but it's stuff I was going to purchase anyway. And so to have that extra savings there makes it well worth it. No matter what you're shopping for, odds are you can find it through Rakuten, turning any online shopping purchase into an opportunity to actually get cash back. So Rakuten is a real deal. It is free to join, and anyone over 18 can use their services. You won't accrue any hidden charges by using them. The holidays are a great time to start using Rakuten, but it can also help you earn cash back on things you buy every single day.